Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So OnePlus 9 series is here with another smartphone, the gaming OnePlus 9R. The OnePlus family expanded last year with the introduction of the Note series. Now it expands again with a phone that sits between the Note mid-rangers. And the main flagship series, we have some bad news. However, there is no R in India, but the 9R will be available only in the India. The OnePlus 9R is powered by the Snapdragon 870, a RAM-bit version of the chip that the powered by the OnePlus 8T. In fact, that the story for the 9R is a very similar. In the last year hardware superb for a 2021, the phone has a 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display with a 1080p plus resolution and HDR10 plus certification. The display has a 120Hz refresh rate and a 240Hz touch sampling rate. This one is a flat panel just like the one on the OnePlus 8T and the OnePlus 9. The camera is also lifted off the OnePlus 8T, starting with the main module with a 48 megapixel main camera and optical image stabilization. It's joined by the 16 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 5 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel monochrome camera. The phone can record 4K video at 60 fps and capture slow motion video at 240 fps at 1080p and 480p fps in 720 fps. It also features a video portrait mode and EIS on top of OIS for extra smooth footage. OnePlus has a positioned the 9R as something of the gaming phone. The Snapdragon 870 GPU is easily more powerful than those of mid-range chipset. The chipset is kept cool by a vapor chamber. For the battery, OnePlus used in a favorite system 4500 mAh battery, combine it with a rapid charging 65, matching the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. No wireless charging here, however, still plug in for 15 minutes will top up the battery enough at least you the whole day. A full charge take 39 minutes. In addition, the phone boasts a stereo speaker with a Dolby Atmos, no 3.5mm headphone jack. It will be available in a blue and a carbon black color. The OnePlus 9R will be available in 22 days. It will come in a two configurations, starting with the base model 8 gigs and 128 gig memory for available in $550, and the 12 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes memory option available for $605. So this is the latest OnePlus 9R. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this gaming smartphone, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.